Hello and welcome back to the Chop Busters. Today we've got something every woodworker will appreciate. 20 awesome tools all under $100. Whether you're just starting out or adding to your arsenal, these picks will boost your shop without busting your budget. Let's get into it. Stainless steel mini squares. This special edition stainless steel mini square is a precision tool originally designed for checking chisels and plane irons, but it's become a go-to for a wide range of fine woodworking tasks, like setting up small machines, checking joints, and inspecting assemblies. Now crafted from a solid billet of stainless steel, it's more durable and long-lasting than ever. Priced at $69.99, this tool is available by pre-order only and will not be stocked after this limited production run. TILSWALL Rotary Tool. The TILSWALL Rotary Tool Kit offers powerful performance and versatility for a wide range of DIY and craft projects. Priced at $49.99, this 160-watt rotary tool features 6 speed levels and comes with 145 accessories. Perfect for carving, grinding, milling, polishing, drilling, sanding, and engraving. Compatible with materials like wood, plastic, jewelry, gypsum board, laminate, aluminum, and vinyl siding. It's built with an alumina abrasive band, tin bronze chuck, and an all-covered soft rubber grip for comfort and control. Jorgensen Corner Easing Plane. The Jorgensen Corner Easing Plane is a compact, durable tool designed to quickly and cleanly ease edges for a professional finish. Priced at $29.98, it's made from high-grade, precisely machined aluminum and features a hardened 145-degree chamfer blade for sharp, long-lasting performance. Ox TUFF Carbon Pencil. The Ox TUFF Carbon Pencil is a rugged, precision marking tool built for demanding job site use. Priced at $11.95. Made from durable PP, ABS, and stainless steel, it features an extended needle nose tip for tight spaces and a one-click lead advance for controlled marking. The 2.8mm lead is easily refillable via a stainless steel feed tube, and the built-in sharpener in the cap ensures crisp, accurate lines every time. WoodRiver Apron Plane. The WoodRiver Apron Plane is a compact, high-performance hand tool designed for precision trimming and smoothing. Priced at $99, this 4-inch long, 10-ounce plane is small enough to carry in your apron pocket, but built tough with an investment cast 304 stainless steel body and lever cap. It features a 20-degree bed angle for clean, accurate cuts and a D2 carbon steel blade for lasting sharpness. WoodRiver Premium Honing Guide. The WoodRiver Premium Honing Guide offers precise, repeatable sharpening for chisels and plane irons, priced at $86.98. It features precision-machined black anodized jaws, stainless steel guide rods, and a phosphor bronze bushing within a stainless steel roller bearing for smooth, stable movement. The guide accommodates bevel edge or standard bench chisels and plane irons ranging from 1/4 inch to 2 3/4 inch wide. Mini Glue Scraper. Mini Glue Scraper. The WoodRiver Mini Glue Scraper is a compact ergonomic tool designed to make glue removal fast and effortless. Priced at $19.99, it features a pull-style design with a square or radius carbide cutter held at a 30-degree angle, ideal for scraping in tight spots or extended reaches. The comfortable multi-grip handle lets you work precisely without strain. Router Template. The WoodRiver Router Template is a versatile jig designed to help you create clean, professional-looking jigs and fixtures. No CNC required. Priced at $19.99, it allows you to route slots and keyholes for 1/4 inch T-bolts using a handheld plunge rotor with a 3/8 inch bushing and 1/4 inch straight bit. Self-centering Dowel Jig Kit. The self-centering dowel jig kit is a precise, easy-to-use tool designed for strong, accurate wood joinery. Priced at $49.99, this patented jig adjusts quickly and clamps securely to boards ranging from 3/8 inch to 6 inches thick. The steel clamping screw handle provides stable, even pressure, while rugged aluminum sides hold the workpiece firmly without damaging the wood. Vertical Router Sled. Vertical router sled is priced at $100 and delivers safe, accurate vertical routing, ideal for cope cuts. It features adjustable clamping bars, fits material up to 8 1/8 inch wide, and includes a toggle clamp for pieces up to 1 inch thick. CNC machine brackets and an adjustable foot ensure square, stable cuts on router tables or shapers. Slot cutter. The slot cutter is a versatile 3-wing router bit priced at $20.96, perfect for cutting rabbets, grooves, biscuit slots, tongue and groove joints, and channels for T-molding. It includes a 5/16 by 7/8 inch bearing, allowing for a standard 1/2 inch depth of cut, with an inside diameter of 5/16 inch and an outside diameter of 1 7/8 inch. This cutter is a reliable choice for clean, precise joinery and slotting tasks in your workshop. Retractable workbench casters. The retractable workbench casters, priced at $71.07, allow you to easily move your workbench or cabinet, then set it back down to a stable working height. By stepping on the pedal, the lever cam mechanism lifts the bench for mobility. Lifting the pedal retracts the caster for stability. With a 300-pound capacity and durable 2.5 inch urethane wheels, these casters are versatile enough for wood or steel bases. Clifton block plane. The Clifton low-angle adjustable mouth block plane, priced at $61.75, combines elegance with performance. Crafted in Sheffield, England, this premium block plane features a cast bronze body that resists rust and adds weight for smoother cuts. The walnut-top lever cap offers comfort and style, while the adjustable mouth lets you fine-tune shaving control. Mirka Flexible Sanding Pads. The Mirka Flexible Sanding Pads, priced at $15.15, are ideal for quick hand sanding of contoured or hard-to-reach areas on wood, metal, plastic, and more. Made from dense foam and coated evenly with long-lasting aluminum oxide grains, these 4 by 3 by 1/2 inch pads offer excellent flexibility and durability, perfect for finishing tasks where rigid sanding blocks won't reach. Self-centering Doweling Jig. The self-centering Doweling Jig, priced at $61.75, makes it easy to create strong, accurate joints in wood. Its patented self-centering mechanism ensures precise hole placement every time, while the rugged aluminum sides prevent marring the material. Compatible with stock from 3/8 to 2 inch thick, the precision machined bushings and permanently cast hole size markings guarantee long-lasting accuracy and ease of use. SpeedLite 8 inch Square. The SpeedLite 8 inch Square is a versatile and lightweight tool priced at $5.48, perfect for both professionals and DIYers. Made from high-impact structural composite, it won't mar delicate surfaces like siding. This 5-in-1 tool functions as a tri-square, miter square, saw guide, line scriber, and protractor. Spyder Framing and Construction Circular Saw Blades. The Spyder Framing and Construction Circular Saw Blades are high-performance blades priced at $100, designed for clean, smooth cuts and long-lasting durability. Featuring ultra-tough nickel-cobalt cutting teeth, these blades last up to 6 times longer than standard ones. The alternating tooth bevel and interfused anti-friction coating ensure exceptionally smooth cuts, while polymer-filled stabilization vents minimize noise and vibration for greater accuracy. 2-inch 15-gauge Pneumatic Stapler. The 2-inch 15-gauge Pneumatic Stapler, priced at $100, is built for solid and engineered hardwood flooring installation. It features a durable aluminum housing and high-speed, mallet-actuated pneumatic operation for greater productivity compared to manual staplers. The extra-wide composite base plates enhance stability during use, while the long-reach handle provides improved comfort and control. Hammerless Nail Setter. This $11 hammerless nail setter is a must-have for precise trim and finish work. Its spring-loaded design delivers 3,000 to 5,000 psi of impact force to cleanly countersink nails without damaging surrounding surfaces. Compact at just 5 5/16 inch, it's perfect for tight spaces. The dual head tip offers versatility with both 1/32 inch and 1/16 inch sizes, making it ideal for setting small pin nails or larger finish nails without needing multiple tools. WEN Palm Sander. This compact and affordable palm sander features a 3.75 by 5.5 inch pad with an angled tip for detailed sanding work. Powered by a 1-amp motor delivering 13,500 operations per minute, it provides smooth performance while weighing just 2 pounds for reduced fatigue. The Velcro base makes changing sandpaper quick and easy, and a built-in dust collection port helps keep your workspace clean. And that wraps it up for today on the Chop Busters. 20 solid tools that won't empty your wallet but will definitely earn their spot in your workshop. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite budget tool in the comments. See you in the next one. Keep busting, keep building.